Hi, it's Christine doing a review for the Amazon Basics pet training pads in extra large. There are 40 pieces. They're super absorbent and leak proof. They supposedly have this puppy attractant, so it helps your puppies and dogs know where to go, especially if the weather is not so good outside or if you live in an apartment. These are 28 inches by about 34 inches. Here I'll demonstrate the absorbency of this training pad. And don't worry, this is not P, it's T. This is a cup's worth or 250 milliliters of tea. I like that it gels up and it's very absorbent and it locks the liquid in place. As you can see, it doesn't bleed too far from where we poured the puddle. And you can see that it did not leak through to the floor. I'll demonstrate as I wipe with a tissue paper. You can see it gelled up and it's very dry. I like that it's easy to dispose as well and it contains your dog's mess. I would recommend these training pads.